Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Moody Florals, and it is for the week of April 1st through the 7th. I'm so excited to do this one with you guys. So I'm going to be using the stickers from LTL Print House. I am wrapping for them, so if you guys want to purchase stickers from them, it is Kasha15 for 15% off. Their stickers are so stunning, you guys. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using their butterfly collection. It is gorgeous, and I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do. So some of their signature collection, some of their butterfly collection, and some boxes. And I think I'm going to only use their stickers in this spread. I don't think I'm going to be combining it with anything. Let's see how I can kind of combine all of this. So bear with me as I pull out my collection and kind of decide what to do here. But yeah, these are gorgeous, absolutely stunning, as you can see. And then I also wanted to see if I can combine it with anything else. But I think I'm going to keep it black and white. I think Elise from Planning with Elise is so right. It is such a palette cleanser, and I need to cleanse my palette from all of the colors lately. So let's do this. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so happy you're here and you found me. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. This means the world to me, probably more than you know. Okay, so beautiful stickers. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and spread them out for myself so I see what I'm working with. I'm gonna start putting boxes down as always. This week is a little bit different in my routine as I took a couple days off this week to spend some time with my dog and just kind of get my house back to normal since I've been working crazy hours. I probably am working about 60 plus hours a week now. So hopefully this will change pretty soon, and I'm just helping out here and there where I can. So no big deal. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna add these Adorn flower boxes that I really love. They are absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. So we're gonna add this butterfly on the side. Look at this. How gorgeous, right? Let's see. Also, if you purchase this, you can easily make it into a bookmark because this is what it reminds me of. It is simply stunning. So I'm just adding this. Look how pretty. Okay, and the smaller boxes for my work schedule and other schedules that I kind of need to keep track of. So I'm gonna add those, couple clear ones, couple ones with flowers probably in them. Let's see. Maybe I can. Okay, I'm trying to decide what to do here. Okay, let's add a couple plain boxes on this side too to balance this out. So here and here maybe for my stuff. Yeah, that works. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this beautiful quote that says change is beautiful. I'm gonna spread it across the 2 pages. I'm just peeling it up very gently because the white area around it is small and gentle, and that's what I really want. So I'm gonna cut it and kind of spread it on both of the pages. Okay, there we go. Yep, awesome. And then this one on that side. Beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get some checklists going. So instead of doing lines this time, I'm just gonna do circles and see how that looks. I think I've done that once before, not very often, and not in like my new era where I don't overwhelm myself. So let's go ahead and add some stuff like that in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on every single day. I think I'm gonna split this between like the middle box and the top and the bottom box. So let's see how that works. I think that's good. And then middle. As you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of writing on the lowest box. My planner is typically so thick, and I rarely take out pages to write in them because my planner goes with me everywhere I go. So it's pretty challenging to do that. Like just take out pages. I'm always afraid that whatever area I'm in is not clean enough and my page is going to get ruined. So I just keep it in my planner and I can always wipe my cover. Because yes, I will pull this out at Starbucks and fill in the things that are in my head. So that's kind of how it works. My writing is never perfect because I do write on the go, and that's kind of where I am. Okay, so these are my checklists. Saturday, I'm home, so I'm gonna have a huge to-do list to get everything caught up, but that's okay. So let's put seize the day right in here. Let's put a couple more quotes, and then I'm gonna start pulling those butterflies. Get it done. I'm gonna kind of put it on top of the box, and it kind of looks like it's integrated into the box. I really do like that look. And now I'm pulling my butterflies. Look how stunning these are. The detail on them is pretty remarkable. Okay, so I'm gonna place a whole bunch of them all over the spread. So bear with me as I do this. Okay, a couple of them on the other side of the page. I think that's pretty good. And they're kind of like the trio really works for me. I'm not sure why, but it does. It's kind of unbalanced yet balanced. I need a few more boxes, and I'm gonna go ahead and add them right there, like so. Couple more butterflies. And I think I'm approaching to the end of my creation of the spread. I think it's pretty balanced. I think the black and white looks so great, you guys. I can't wait to write and hit this. I have such a busy week ahead of me, but this will definitely help me keep me going. When I have a pretty spread, I often look back at it and I'm pretty excited to do so. So when that happens, I have realized I'm much more productive. Hence, I'm trying to do spreads that really speak to me. They might not be the most unique or the most interesting. However, I absolutely love them. And when that happens, almost everything gets done because I keep looking back at my planner so often. Anyway, this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you had fun. Let me know. And again, stickers are from LTL Print Shops. The links are down below. Thanks so much for joining. Bye.